I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the waterproof cast cover is the correct size and in good condition. Inspect seals, zippers, and seams for any tiny holes. A small tear defeats the purpose. Dry the cast and surrounding skin thoroughly and remove rings or loose clothing that could snag. Once done, hold the cover open with both hands and orient the cast entry so you can slide in smoothly. This minimizes stretching and keeps the seal area clean for the next step. You now slide the cast into the cover, moving deliberately and keeping the limbs straight to avoid rubbing the edges. As the cast enters, guide the seal over the cast lip evenly rather than stretching one side. That prevents gaps. When the cast is fully inside, fasten the zipper or Velcro from bottom to top, ensuring each section clicks or sticks. Make sure to smooth the seal and press out air pockets so water can't track under the edge during exposure. You finish by testing the cover briefly before full immersion. Submerge just the sealed edge for 5 to 10 seconds and check inside for moisture. If it stays dry, proceed with your shower or activity, keeping the limb elevated when possible. Afterward, dry the exterior fully before removing the cover to avoid dripping into the cast. If you notice any leak, stop using the cover, reseat the seal and retest. If leakage persists, replace the cover or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.